problem in my backyard. We've had a few issues with drainage and stuff, so we had to get our soak pit redone and also shortened our deck a bit, and that's left me with really rough lawn. So we've decided, rather than trying to patch up and fix the lawn we already had, that we're going to just rip it all up and start again and put down some ready lawn. And so as part of that, I needed to move the soil around and get some smoother lines, some levelling and stuff. And looking on Hirepool's website, I noticed the little Kanga over there and figured that would probably be the best thing for the job. It's got a rotary hoe attachment and the bucket. And it's pretty small and easy to manoeuvre around, so it's kind of ideal for getting down the side of the house. And I've never really used one before, and so I'm kind of pretty excited to have a play with it and see if I can pull it off. Now I've done about half an hour, and it's relatively easy to use. It takes a little bit of fine tuning and getting used to it, and obviously the more time I'm spending on it, the easier it's getting. And anyone could jump on one of these and be able to operate it pretty similar to how I can. The other thing I quite liked about it, that I didn't know until I got it, was that it's got a little platform on the back, and as soon as you hop off that platform, the thing stops moving. So it's actually really safe. And a handy little bit of kit for a sort of medium-sized job like this. I've used a little handheld rotary hoe before, but I wouldn't want to be doing that on a job this size.